Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings on your iPhone to begin changing the personal hotspot password. Verify your device has cellular service and is unlocked. Confirm your iPhone runs a recent iOS version for consistent menu labels. Back up any important settings before you change network access. Check that any devices currently connected are ready to reconnect with a new password. Remember, the hotspot password must meet length requirements and be typed exactly when you reconnect other devices. Tap Settings, then tap Personal Hotspot to access hotspot controls on your iPhone. Locate the Wi-Fi password field and tap it to edit the characters. Enter a new password with at least 8 characters, using letters, digits, and symbols for strength. Avoid spaces at the start or end to prevent connection errors on other devices. When you finish typing, tap Done or swipe away to save and apply the new hotspot password immediately. After saving, disconnect any device currently using your personal hotspot and reconnect with the new password. Test at least one laptop and one phone to confirm cross-device compatibility and correct typing. Choose a strong password between 12 and 20 characters that mixes uppercase, lowercase, digits, and symbols for better security. If devices fail to join, toggle personal hotspot off and on to force a restart of the service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.